the way I currently see things are this. You know, we're at a time on this planet where, you know, it's time to stand for something. You know, one way or the other, a choice needs to be made. A line needs to be drawn in the sand. You know? No choice. Putting it off. Waiting to see what happens. Still a choice. So what is it? For me, I know what I need to do. I know what I need to stand on. I need to stand on God. I need to stand on love. I need to stand on truth. I need to stand in my own divinity. And when I say God, right, nature's God. You know, this is God. Or at least for me, this is the feminine aspect of God. Mother Nature, Mother Earth. You're here watching this because, you know, we're connected across all time and space, and you have a similar frequency or resonance to this video. Which means at this stage, in January 2026, you know, you're getting quite a strong sense and quite a strong feeling in your body that choices matter. There's some kind of judgment, you know, those end times feelings. And, you know, I try and think a lot less. Try and feel a lot more. So yeah, I feel it. I feel the spiritual war that rages or appears to rage. I feel the division. I feel the fear in the collective, and I feel the love in the collective. History repeats itself across all origin stories, all religions, all of it. We have these resets, these events, these times where things change. Things are changing. And there are miracles on offer, there is grace on offer, there is healing on offer, there is freedom on offer. So much. So much. But it requires choices based on truth, choices based on the principles of nature versus the principles of man. And for me, you know, it requires a testimony. It requires me personally to say to you that, you know, God that isn't earth, whatever that is to you, yeah. And, you know, God that is earth. There's a way to unify that current, that energy inside you, and it feels like a really, really critically important thing for me to continue exploring, attempting, being in more of. And I just want to offer a prayer and a blessing to anyone who's still on this video. Over Earth, Father God, I just ask that all beings get to hear this message, resonate with this frequency, find the strength, the courage, the grace and the ease to turn inwards, to turn to you. Peace, ease and comfort to all beings who choose the heart, who choose earth. And may freedom from bondage and eventual peace come to those that are at